Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to configure a second router. First, decide if you want your second router to act as an access point, extending wireless coverage, or as a wired extender. Next, gather your equipment, 2 Ethernet cables and the power adapter for your second router. It is crucial to power down both your main router and the second router before making any physical connections. This prevents potential issues and ensures a smooth setup process. Now, let's get connected. Take one Ethernet cable and plug it into any LAN port on your second router, then connect the other end to your computer's Ethernet port. Power on the second router and give it about 1 minute to fully boot up. Once it is ready, open your web browser and type in the router's default IP address, which is commonly 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. This will take you to the login page. Once logged in, the real configuration begins. First, change the second router's IP address to something like 192.168.1.2, ensuring it is on the same subnet as your main router but different. Crucially, disable the DHCP server on the second router to prevent any IP address conflicts. Finally, set up your new wireless network name, or SSID, and a strong password. This ensures your devices connect seamlessly to the extended network. For the final step, connect an Ethernet cable from a LAN port on your main router to a LAN port on your second router. Do not use the WAN port on the second router for this setup. After making this connection, restart both your main router and the second router. Allow a few minutes for everything to boot up. Then, test your internet connection on devices connected to the second router, either wirelessly or via its Ethernet ports, to confirm everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.